Know about rolling down in the deep. When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze.
I ended up picking up a new exhaust for the 6-speed. I'll go over what this is and what I got it for and stuff like that. So this is the Greddy Evo2 Exhaust. It discontinued. I got this for about $350 plus stock Patrick wheels. So yeah, so that's what I got it for. $350 plus some stock Patrick wheels, which yeah, so I got a $350 plus the stock exhaust. Yeah, this is the Evo Greddy 2 exhaust, discontinued, and I think this would be perfect for the 6-speed. It's very aggressive looking, and it's honestly not that loud. I'll probably do some sound clips in this video of how it sounds like and stuff like that. But yeah, this is it. So this is probably gonna go on the car right away. So we're gonna go ahead and probably polish this up the best I can, because I do want it at least a little bit more shinier. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Just a little bit of cleaning. You can already see how dull and how shiny it is. Go ahead and do that one. I'm not gonna get this whole back thing. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this part and this part. Yeah. All right, here it is. This is the new cat back. There's some stuff I can't get rid of because it's melted plastic, but yeah, it's Greddy. Pretty good. Full cat back for that RTL. Even, you know, it's just Greddy on the actual thing too. Kind of beat up right here, but yeah, it's Greddy on it. This one's seen a little bit better days. That polished it up. It looked pretty nice on the TL. I'm gonna go ahead and try to slap it on tonight. Hopefully, I want to see. But if not, then tomorrow for sure will be on. But yeah, let me go ahead and skip to that part. Alright. I'm at my work. We have on the lift. Had to cut these off. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off, cut right here and here. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this one off. I might, just because look at the threads are all fucked up. Gonna do the same thing with that one. And then put new hardware in. I think this one came from the East Coast because it's all fucked up. But here's the old exhaust. Literally cat back. Delete. And then cut off mufflers. New exhaust is in there. I'll pull it out in a little bit. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start cutting all these stubs off. And then go ahead and put new hardware in. Cut a tiny hole. We're going to move our way up. First one done. Couple more. I'm going to just slowly open these holes up. New gaskets. I'm going to put the exhaust. We got this on there so far. Rudy's going to give me a hand. I'm going to get these new ones in. We're going to grab one of these ones. So okay. Before we're going to grab the one with no bolts. I'm going to put that in right now. Exhaust is on, new hardware, that's tight. Go all the way back here. I could put a new gasket, but I'm kind of lazy. Actually, I don't have one. I gotta wait to pick it up. It's on, all the way back. New gaskets, new hardware. Same thing right here. I might actually just polish this out since I'm under here real quick. Whatever I can. But yeah, Greddy. So good. It's gonna sound funny because I have a misfire, but I'll do a sound clip still. Nice and polished out as best as I can. This thing sticks out a lot. Let's see if right here. Cool Greddy badging right here too. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna lower it down and then we'll start it. I just gotta clean the tips. Damn. All right, I have you start it. It's in gear. So just take off the gear. Yep. All right, time for the sound clip. Go for it. Yep, it's quiet. Yeah, it's just on this fire. Hard to do the sound of the misfire, but all right, give it another rev. Let's give it a light rev again. Alright, that's fine. Here. Let's show off her new car finally.
Yep.
Had it for about 2 weeks and I haven't made a video on it.
I've been begging him to film me and he won't film me.
We got, I'll show you real quick of the rundown if you're new. This is my car, flooded. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, I wonder if I should put it on bricks. Look how flooded it is. This is her car. We haven't drove this one for like 2 months, I don't think. Damn, that's flooded. This one is her new one. Got this one. Well, I'll probably answer in the Q&A video or whatever. But yeah, A-spec wheels. The 8.5 is the rare ones. And then this one is the 6-speed. Getting some love. I finally got the mirrors painted for it. So I'll probably put the 0708 mirrors on this finally. But yep, we're gonna go to 2s. He got his air suspension in. Currently, as you're watching this video, I'm still working on mine. And yeah, we're gonna go to 2s right now and check out his. So yeah, this is the new one.
I moved my
So we got 2 over here. He got his airbags in. And Kanye over here also.
That's just nice. Man, I'm fucking get me one. I'm going back.
What brand is this? Fly Air? Or
Air Force.
Air Force. See? Everyone's saying like
I don't know how to test that shit.
it don't like there's no point. It don't do nothing. They put them on.
It's in the back anyways.
Huh?
So they're in the back anyways, right? Where's the back one, bro? The
That's the front one. That's the front one, but
That's
our
the
car.
plate everybody's talking about?
Yeah, our car does not. It don't do nothing for our car.
It don't move.
Yeah, it's like they do it for free, you know, for the trucks, but it don't affect our car anyway.
So I just leave it how it is then.
Yeah.
So you see the wiring is pretty easy then. Well, I'm helping you. I'll be helping you, so it'll be twice as fast.
Damn, look, it's not even raining no more.
Man, don't say that. I got yelled at already. She didn't want me outside. Do that for this. I made the wood chunky already.
You kind of like.
No, I have the wood. I glued it.
Hey, whose Civic is this? No?
What? If it don't stick, we don't want it.
No, he's saying the transfer tape's too sticky.
I'm just kidding.
Oh yeah. Cause the banner at Demetrius' house, I use the same transfer tape. I'll use this transfer. This transfer.
Oh, that's why I couldn't get it off either.
Yeah, man.
Remember too, we were the first ones to install the intersect ones. Just letting you know, first ever. But yeah, it's gonna be on bags.
Look, my headlight's stuck.
It looks like a DVD player. Or
No, it looks
DVD.
like a makeup palette. A Mac makeup palette. Don't ask me how I know the brand.
Like, how much is it? Like, what is all this?
Yeah,
all the
LED,
stuff.
LED strips.
All the LED stuff.
Like three for each side, I guess. So two
Remember
halos and a strip, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I had to buy extra.
You want to go check
stuff.
out my headlights so you can see how we want to retrofit them?
Well, I pay you to do it. Not free. I'll pay you.
Everybody's trying to
man.
pay this fool.
Dude.
Man, I need to get my freaking my camper on. Go get some new tires for the rear.
Hell yeah, like
Shit out my shit.
hell yeah, bro, like I get booked up like real quick.
Hey,
And
next-
Wilson don't believe me. He just like I'm just gonna pump up anyway.
Hey, you free this
Not for a while.
May 29th.
Oh, yeah,
is that?
Yeah,
That's
the
like
24th. No, 24th.
that's in May now.
that's
Right?
after Chillishin.
24th.
After?
Is it the?
Yeah.
Oh, it is the 29th. Huh? Yeah.
So we got
I
plenty
already-
of time.
Hey, I already.
We're all
already
gonna
took
be
that day off.
we're
too.
all gonna be bagged.
Yeah.
Shit! I'm about to start looking at bags.
I know, bro.
Why didn't you get the $500 one? Oops, sorry.
For my Civic?
Gotta get a brand new one, bro.
It's a Saturday.
You can never trust you shit.
Hell yeah, I gotta go new, bro. If I'm getting something, the only thing about getting is the.
Damn, so these are the
I can
bags.
get some True Heart struts. I just need that fucking
You haven't
compressor.
received
They
yours?
look so long, huh? Like the,
Yeah, I don't know how to set it.
I have a photo of
How many threads?
There's no,
Yeah,
there's no
that
fucking
Paul has.
instructions inside the
Hey,
box.
hey, once
They come
you
with
get
hard
that,
lines?
then I'm gonna get the same setup, bro.
They came with hard lines, huh?
Yeah,
Right
All
here.
my parts are in the other one. Oh yeah.
Damn. So how does that work?
Y'all need workers?
Night shift? No, we're
This
not.
one goes to the other
Morning
one.
shift,
This one
bro.
goes to the
Oh, yeah,
strut.
morning shift,
Damn,
yeah,
how does
fuck
this
it.
work then?
They are morning shift, but all the leads are there. That's why you can't.
Oh, yeah.
This is what you want
Wait,
though.
you're on swing, huh?
For the
Struts.
struts, yeah.
Yeah, because regular plastic one will break.
Oh, yeah,
I just don't know how this works.
Oh, yeah?
It's just
We'll
like-
find out.
Look it up.
There's like 9 of us over there, and all of us are just workers, and we all leave. There's nobody at the warehouse right now.
For real?
Yeah.
Kenny over here. How far you get?
I got stuck, bro. I don't know how to run the wire.
Ooh.
I'm more running like this.
Yeah, that go hard.
But I couldn't find the screws.
For what? Oh, those
it.
black ones? It's really long ones. Long ones with like a nut.
Oh shit.
What's happening?
You haven't been in the video for a minute.
Oh, I'm in a video.
I'm making I'm gonna cook that. So I tell everybody else who wants, then it just brings some meat.
I know, we should brought some long
Yeah,
sausage.
I bought some.
Oh, ho,
I
ho.
bought some. Look, I
Damn.
did this way. You see how I can run up? We're taking these panels off. And I took all these off.
You just gotta hold off on the installation of your struts until 2 weeks from now when I make the video.
Man.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, look, the camber plate hitting the top though. How does that work?
You might have to take the bolts off. This is those Allen key ones and not run it.
We don't need it anyway, no?
Nope.
Yeah, I was like, damn, that's all the way on the beach. I'm like, I don't know what the hell, that's dumb.
Yeah, that's just what I seen in a post. Something about that, and I was like, I wonder. They said that you just have to
Or screw it, take it out.
yeah, you don't need those bolts because they don't do nothing. As I was,
Yeah, cause this we don't have to gap. Golly, I'm not trying to cut none of the frame.
yeah, no.
Yeah, I told him just make whatever. I'll make rice and pepper. I can make sticky rice too. I have some in the house, but I bought more drinks already too.
All right, well, we'll get this started. There's his tank setup. Pretty cool.
Know about rolling down in the deep. When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb. I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought. No flow rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around. See, my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way.
You got this side over?
Give me in that bag. So, in the line. We're just finishing up the rear.
Did we get close?
Same thing over here. You can see the line. All the wiring. Then we just gotta wire up the compressors, tap in the remote wire, and wire up the actual power wires over there.
Yeah, we got another score.
We got Bob. Where you been?
You know, just home, just chilling, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Alright.
How about they cut off?
Alright, Terry, what are you walking away for?
Get a drink.
Uh-huh.
We got Ryobi Terry in the house right here, playing it down, long dick style.
Yeah, man.
We got Anna right there.
Rocking the UA squad. What are you doing, huh?
Oh,
You guys
babysitting like 20 kids, bro.
You can't go that way.
Bell, come on. You turn back. You don't go timeout.
Oh yeah, they don't come over here.
Alright, here it is. We ran out of line, so for now we're just hooking up right here. We know it's not the right way, but just so we could get this all tested out. We did this at, we started at 1 o'clock-ish, and it's already 5:24. So, yeah, about 4 or 5 hours, we're already almost done. We just gotta wire up these guys.
Hell yeah.
And
This on camera too?
Yeah. They closed the car, but they left the spare with me.
we got everything dialed in, so we're just gonna air it out now. I wonder if it's gonna be super low already.
No.
I think we actually raised your car, huh?
Yeah, can you see now? Like that?
When you're ready, Terry, go ahead.
Alright, let's find out.
Right.
Dude, see his bumper is fucking clap. Alright. Gun?
Yeah.
Hey, wait, gas back.
How did it work this thing,
I don't know. Let it turn on. You gotta set it up. English and oh, it's kicking on?
Yeah.
Damn! Alright, you gotta set that up. Ooh. I always try to take that jack out. Try to
Get ready to.
like try to take it off a little bit, like drop it a little bit if you can.
No. No.
Damn.
Wait till it lifts.
Just let us do its thing, I guess.
Yeah.
I just didn't want it to air out, but it's already aired out, so it can't do anything more. That's so dope.
Going up?
Oh my god. Damn.
When this side go up, then I'm good.
Yeah, once you see this go up, just hurry up and like. Oh my god, this is so cool. Damn. If you're watching this video, this is before I finish mine. FYI, that's why I'm freaking out, because well, my video will be out before this one. All right, air up the front. I think.
That's this one, no?
Yeah. Air it all the way to 64, I guess. Air both of them Even the other one side too.
Fire, you shouldn't you be going up?
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh, Adrian went up.
Right there. 60.
All right, now try to drop it. Because you might just gotta keep airing out and then try to jack, because it might just, you gotta find that one. Tell them to air it up. Go out more. Try to pull out. That's it. There you go. Now pull out all the way. Now air it out. Air it out.
Camera?
Yes. Do the rear. Damn! You get a little lower though for sure, but.
All the way down.
That's down.
That's it. All right, baby. I want to slam it.
No, that's all the way down.
Right?
Do the front. That's all the way? That's not all the way, is it?
All the way.
Like floor to floor. Car to floor.
We have to adjust it, huh?
Yeah. Dude.
That's all the way. I mean, if it's like super
No, go ahead, get in on
a
that.
little bit though, I'm cool right now.
Hold
Thought
on.
you were gonna bring
Let me
Noah.
turn my camera on first.
I thought I was too. I told him, I said,
Well,
brother, I
say
said,
what's up to the internet crackheads.
what up, internet crackheads? You saw me with the baby face, now full bearded up, you know what I'm saying? You know, we got to tell you, you know, I got to tell the internet crackheads, we just hit 1,000! Yay! Come on now, stop playing with us.
Yeah.
It could be up to you guys, up to the internet crackheads. You guys could be winning some. Come on. Tap in, tap in.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun.